And now that we have this installed, if you head right away to just go ahead and start installing your Windows 11, most of us might encounter this problem that says your PC does not meet up the minimum requirement for the Windows 11, but we're going to ignore that because it already has a solution. And what we have to do first of all is to go over to our Windows. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to install the Windows 11 on your computer, or specifically upgrade from the Windows 10 to the Windows 11. Now, I don't think you can actually make this upgrade directly from your Windows 8 or less, but if you actually want to make this upgrade on your Windows 8, you would have to move from the Windows 8 to the Windows 10 and then to the Windows 11, so that if your system doesn't meet up with the Windows 10 requirement, you wouldn't have to go through the stress of not having to install the Windows 11. You would just know right away that your system could not install the Windows 11. Plus, to be able to run the Windows 11 on your computer, you would have to meet up with the Windows 11's minimum requirements, like having the TMP 2.0 enabled on your computer, which might sound the strangest on the Microsoft requirements page, but other than that, it's pretty much very straightforward. So if you have any question regarding the Windows 11's minimum requirements, you can feel free to drop it down in the comment sections. And with that out of the way, let's jump right into this video. Alright guys, in order for us to install the Windows 11, we have to come to this website you see right on your screen. I'm going to be pasting the link down in the description box, so you can as well go ahead and copy it from there. So on this page, you're going to go ahead and install first of all the Windows 11 installation assistant. So we're going to get this installed on our PC by clicking on the download now. So this is the best option for installing the Windows 11 on your device. So click on download now and your download should automatically start, but make sure you download this file directly onto your desktop. So if you want to go ahead and make sure it's in your desktop, click on your desktop and then click on save, and the download should automatically start. It's a very fast download. Then move over to create Windows 11 installation media. So we're going to download this one as well by clicking on the download now, and your download should automatically start. So click on the save also on your desktop and then save the file. It's a pretty much very fast download. So go ahead and open up the media creation tool you just downloaded right away from your desktop, or if you find it on your Google Chrome, go ahead and click on it right away. It should bring up this pop-up window that says getting a few things ready. So we're going to just exercise a few patience, and it should bring up the agreement page. So click on accept. Now it says select language and edition. So if you have a page similar to mine, you have to uncheck this option that says use the recommended settings for this PC, so you can be able to change your language. So go ahead and change your preferred language, and obviously leave the edition as the Windows 11 because you're going to be going for the Windows 11. So click on next. Then on this page, select ISO file because that's what we're going to be needing for the Windows 11 installation. So click on next, and it should automatically try to start downloading that Windows 11 ISO file. So select the file path to be on your desktop and then click on save. Now at this point, it has started downloading the Windows 11 ISO file that is wired for the installation of the Windows 11. So we need to have at least 5.1 gigabytes of data, so we don't have any significant errors along the line while this thing tries to download. So this is going to pretty much take a very long time. So we're going to be exercising patience, and depending on your network speed, this should take at least 10 to 15 minutes. So the patience is really needed at this point. So we're going to wait for this download to complete. And once it is done, just like I have now, if you check on your desktop app, that was why I said we should save this file on your desktop, you're going to find a file called the Windows 11 ISO file. So this right here is going to be your Windows 11 ISO file. And now that we have this installed, if you head right away to just go ahead and start installing your Windows 11, most of us might encounter this problem that says your PC does not meet up the minimum requirement for the Windows 11, but we're going to ignore that because it already has a solution. And what we have to do first of all is to go over to our Windows icon and click on it. Then on the search bar, type in the registry editor. Now we're going to have to open up the registry editor app. So click on open, and then it should bring up these little windows right here. So at this point, we have to watch closely so we don't make any serious mistake. Right here on the left hand side, we're going to find a list of folders right here. So we're going to go over to the H key local machine and click on the drop down icon you see right there. Then move over to the system folder. Click also on the drop down icon, and it should bring up another list of folders. Go over to the setup folder and click on the drop down icon. Now at this point, click on the MO setup folder, not the drop down icon. So you're going to now look over to the right hand side. We should now find this option that says allow upgrades with unsupported CPM or CPU. But if you don't find it, just like in the case of mine, just right click anywhere on the blank space you find on this window. Then select the new option, and automatically you should create this registry option right here. So we're going to be changing the name from default to allow upgrades with unsupported CPM or CPU. Just where you see it on the screen, just copy this text you see on the screen and rename this option to it. So we are going to now double click on the option Then under the value data, change that option from 0 to 1 and then press OK. And that's what we're going to be doing on the registry editor. So let's go ahead and kickstart the process of the installation. Alright, now so we're going to go ahead and locate that Windows 11 ISO file that we downloaded. Double click on that file and it should bring out this little Windows Explorer page right here. So we're going to find the setup.exe file. That's what we're going to be looking at. So it's an application file, so just go ahead and left click on it and it should ask you if you want this application to make changes to your PC. So go ahead and select yes and the installation process should begin. It should bring out this little window saying preparing. This should take at least 2 to 3 minutes to complete 100% before you get to this page that says install Windows 11 and change how your setup downloads update. So this page right now, we are going to go ahead and click on that change how setup download update. So at this point I clicked on not right now because I don't have much data on my system to use to update, and if you select the recommended option it should take much more time and much data. So the not right now option is going to probably be the best for now, but in terms of update it's not going to download with any updates. It's just going to be a plain Windows 11, but you can as well do this once you're done with the installation. So click on not right now and it's going to be faster than the first option, and then click on next. So it says over here checking your PC. It should take a little time. So just click on accept on this page. So it's going to start making sure your PC is ready to install. They're going to bring up the what need your attention prompt page. So click on the accept button. So guys, you're going to get ready to choose what to keep while installing your Windows 11. So this is one of the most crucial stages as well in this installation. Right now it says ready to install. So if you watch closely, it's going to install the Windows 11 Pro and also keep my professional files and application. So make sure those two options are checked. So once you're done, click on the install button and it should take you to this blue screen right now that is going to take its time to install the Windows 11. Now this took me 6 to 7 hours for no reason. I don't know why. Maybe in your own it's going to look so different, but when it's up to 100% completed, you should restart your PC several times. So basically we're not going to do anything until the installation is going to be done. Just make sure your PC is not going to die, make sure your PC doesn't turn off, and we are good to go. So it's going to take a very long time to install, depending on your PC speed or probably your network speed as well. And yeah guys, that's it for the Windows 11 installation. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to smash that like button below this video. Comment down below if you have any problems concerning the Windows 11 installation or any other topic. I'm active down in the comment section always. And if you're new to this channel, you can as well consider subscribing to my channel. And to my subscriber, do well to stick around because there are going to be much more content pouring into this channel. So click on the video you see on your screen right now. It's a great video. If you have not watched it, go ahead and click on this video. So without further ado, I'm the Crackhead Guy and I will see you in the next one. Peace.